going to show you how to roast some garlic on the grill.
What I do here is I just grab my Dull Strong Gladiator Series chef knife. My little tip for this is just to trim just a teeny bit off of the side of the garlic bulb. It gives you a flat surface when you're cutting the top of the garlic. And you just kind of want to let's just slice off the top of the garlic, just expose some of the tops of it on the inside. Have a little trouble. These garlic bulbs are a tiny bit smaller than I should normally get, but let that be a lesson learned there. If you're going to roast some garlic and you're going to cut the tops like that, which you should, try to look for bigger bulbs of garlic as you can, as big as you can. Just put your garlic bulb face up, and a couple turns of the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, a little kosher salt. I like to put it on my hand first so that I can make sure I don't have too much salt that I put in my hand. And then freshly ground black pepper. And there's no fancy way to do it, and just go ahead and wrap them up any way you want. Just the best thing is you want to make sure that the bottoms don't leak out and the sides or anything for the olive oil. Just I like to twist them up on the top. I'll set them up for indirect heat, which means you got to put them on the coal side. You got the coals to one side. Close the lid. And you leave it there for about 45 minutes at 375 degrees. And after 45 minutes, 40 to 45 minutes, and you go ahead and take them off. And let's do this.